Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. All right, today I have a product review that I want to do on something from Temu. Company is called MD Hand, and it's a knife set. And it's a pretty cool looking knife set, if you ask me. Um, got a lot of stuff, So take a look at it. See what we have here. Got a pair of gloves. Got some skizzers. I have no idea what this is, but it looks pretty cool, whatever that is. Someone knows what that is, leave a comment down below and let me know what that is, because I ain't got a clue. But, and it's great. Got a little can opener. And of course, we got some knives. Some nice looking knives. This is great for skinning. That'd be a great little skinning knife. I like this one. They all have sheaths on them, and put them right through your belt buckle. Matter of fact, I'm probably going to take this and put that one in my belt buckle. Got that. Take a look at the knives we have here. Another little skinning knife. I like that one. Guys, this would be a great set if you're a fisherman also, or if you're just outdoorsy and you're going hunting. Take this whole knife set along with you. You bag yourself a deer, you need to butcher it up. You got all the tools for it. That's a nice knife. Now these are nice. These are really nice. I like these. Some nice cleavers. Let's see, got a bigger cleaver. Yeah, leave it to cleaver. Nice one. Got a honing steel. And you got the mother of all honing, mother of all knives here. That's a nice chopper. All right. Very nice knife set that we have here. This is on my Temu account. I'll leave a link for it in the description below. You guys can check me out on Temu. It helps me out. It helps out my channel. But do me a favor, guys. Keep an eye out on this video. I have another video coming up where I'm going to be using this knife set. And whoever finds the video where I'm using this knife set, you leave a comment down below on the video and you win this knife set. Only one. It only takes one person. So do me a favor. Keep watching my videos. It'll be coming out in a few weeks. But make sure you watch it. Make sure you leave a comment when you see it. And you'll win this knife set. All right, guys. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. As always, God bless and happy eats.